Target practice, guys. Do it cool. Oh yeah. Guys. What? I didn't know there's supposed to be a dread attack. Huh. I didn't know that either. So, what do you think we're supposed to be doing? I know. Nope, I don't know. Next thing that you know, they're gonna have Mandalorian. I was right. That's just bad. Unless we have good weapons. Yeah, well, that's the good part. Hurry up, shoot a rocket at it. I don't have any yet. Why? Why don't you have any left? Cause I ran out yesterday. Battle droids. Shouldn't we attack them? Not yet. Well, what are you waiting for? To deploy the battle droids. We'll deploy them already. Alright. There's one for you. What about the rest? What rest? Rest of the... Oh. Okay, there's some more. Shouldn't we start firing? No, just start firing in a minute.